Today's recipe is tomato curry mazi men, perfect for hot summer days. Start by finely chopping some onion and tomato. Mix them with plenty of parsley, a splash of Tabasco, grated garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper to make a bold, zesty topping that pairs perfectly with curry. Next, cook your noodles, then drain them well. Add a drizzle of olive oil, then toss the noodles with a rich curry sauce made with apple cider vinegar and garlic. It's full of flavor and really clings to the noodles. Finally, pile on that fresh topping and finish it off with a soft boiled egg right in the center. Your tomato curry mazi men, the perfect way to beat the summer heat.